So it just makes me think about the changing planet and the effect we're having on the world we live in. So with that in mind, I wrote a song. It's called Mother Nature's Coming Home. Sometimes it feels the stars are falling all around. The earth is calling back to you, to come back to the place inside yourself where it's okay to breathe the tainted air, to spill your filth without a care, to wallow on still unperturbed, to leave the devil undisturbed. He's busy underneath your roof, he's drilling holes, don't mask the truth from me. Your head lies undisturbed upon your pillow undeserved. Won't you tell me, could it be any worse? The death of our world rings out unheard. Breeze, it cries out all around. We carry on without a thought to hear the sound of crying children laugh behind a sullen siren song bleeding into the air. We dry it out without a care. We drink it up, we cut it down. The devil laughing all around. He's busy underneath our skin. He's sowing seeds and sinking deep within the cracks inside our minds. Not a prayer could hope to find, not a man that could retrieve, not a word that could relieve. It's not a melody that I could sing that would make you all believe. What do you know? I believe that we are reaping what we've sown, 'cause we would never stoop so low. Pick our trash up off the sidewalk to find the time to loan to the communal clock. So carry on and don't you worry about the world's turning back to you, to come back to the faces that you've carved upon your rocks. But not a tear to shed, not a drop spared for the countless dead. They're drowning out in poverty. The decisions that we've made will land on them. He's burning down our house, not a soul spared, not a mouse to feed the dead dogs with your bones. We'd make a graveyard from our home. Don't it get you when you're all alone? Countless centuries waiting for the time that we put her down, and Mother Nature's turning the game around.